Hello and welcome to Blytheway Business News, where today I'm joined by a regular on the show, Ryan McDermott, who is Chief Executive of Phoenix Copper. Phoenix is listed both in London on the AIM market with a ticker of PXC, but also in New York on the OTC market. In London, the market capitalization is around £72 million. We've often talked about the incredible polymetallic deposits that Ryan and his crew have got out there in Idaho. But today we're talking about a ground magnetic survey you've just released, Ryan, for the Red Star project. So give us a quick overview of those results, please.
You bet, Tim. Thanks. We just received the results of the Red Star ground magnetic survey. We're quite encouraged by those results. The survey identified four zones that are high amplitude magnetic zones. Essentially what that means is that it's indicative of significant amount of magnetite. One of the four zones was, of course, the original discovery outcrop. But then we have three additional zones that showed up that are higher amplitude and appear to be larger in size, and those are located just south and east of the discovery outcrop. We also had another, nice encouraging surprise, and that is a trend of lesser amplitude anomalies showed up originating from the original discovery outcrop and then trending to the northeast. That's kind of the same zone that we picked up in surface geochem, but the geophysics have nailed down the location much better than we were able to. The Red Star area is quite steep, challenging topography, heavily vegetated, and it has sparse outcrops. So tools like magnetic surveys are very helpful for drill targeting, and we will use the results of this survey to do exactly that.
Now, you've got some newly identified anomalies, which you're talking about today in your announcement. What's the significance of those anomalies for Phoenix?
Well, anomalies that we find in ground magnetics and any other exploration tools that we use act as an aid in targeting drill holes. We're talking about large areas here, so anything we can do to narrow down where we're going to drill is certainly advantageous.
Now, we're talking about the Red Star project. What impact do the results have on the progress for the Empire Mine?
Well, the two separate projects. Red Star is associated with Empire. It's on the Empire project. It appears to be near surface sulfides versus the open pit oxide. But really the impact of these studies are that it allows us the ability to better target, better focus drilling in the Red Star area, in an area that we already have a 43101 compliant inferred resource. So the idea is to use this drilling to expand that resource.
Okay, so what's next for Red Star then? Is it just the drilling next, or what have you got planned?
Drilling next, yeah. Using the magnetic surveys as a tool again to better focus our drilling.
Okay, so Red Star, you've moved forward. You've got the magnetic surveys. You're now moving on to drill. But you're also waiting on magnetic survey results, I think, from Horseshoe, White Knob, and Navarre Creek.
That's right.
When are you expecting to see those?
Any time now. We've only received the results from Red Star. The Horseshoe White Knob is not very far to the north, and we anticipate there will be some connection between that and Red Star. So we are as excited as everyone else to receive the results of that. Navarre Creek was a very large magnetic survey, a large area. And again, as soon as we get the results, we will report them.
Sounds like you're sitting on something which is very highly interconnected over there, Ryan. Exciting times. We hope so for you. What's coming up? The rest of the year. What kind of news flow should viewers and investors be looking for to come out of Phoenix? What's going to be the headlines?
Sure. Well, as I think everyone's aware, we've been drilling this summer, so we will have assays for the drilling that we've done coming out this fall and this winter. We're moving forward on a feasibility study that will certainly make news, as well as continued work on the plan of operations.
Well, Ryan, thanks for the update. That was Ryan McDermott, Chief Executive of Phoenix Copper. As I said, copper, gold, and many, many other metals out there in Idaho. That's it from Blindway Business News. Thanks for watching.